tucked away in the quiet beauty of Guenoc Valley. Langtry Farms begins its story in the vineyard. As the sun rises, the grapes are gently gathered by hand with care, each one a promise of what's to come. From vine to barrel, time takes over slow, steady, and rich with intention. This is more than a process. It's a rhythm of the land. Here, surrounded by rolling hills and open skies, wine becomes a reflection of place earthy, elegant, and full of character. Rooted in nature, shaped by tradition, inspired by Guenoc Valley. Welcome to Langtry Farms.